Automatic ventilation and venting by means of ventilation units or a ventilation system ensures consistently good air quality at any time. This special page allows me to manually control the ventilation. Automatic ventilation is on if the temperature, the air humidity, or the CO2 content in the ambient air are too high. This depends on the sensors in the building and is set during the initial setup of the KNX system. Already activated automatic settings can be modified later in the Settings menu if required. Here, I can adjust the ventilation conditions. For example, the room temperature, air humidity, or the CO2 or mixed gas content. Heat protection prevents ventilation if the supply air is warmer than the air in the room. Nighttime recooling is a good option to maintain the building at a cool temperature in the summer, even without the use of air conditioning. This setting allows me to adjust the rotational speed for the fan in automatic mode. The fan speed is increased depending on the deviation from the desired ambient climate as selected in the ventilation settings. If there is only a small difference, the ventilation starts at the rotational speed for start exhaust air, in this case 10%. If the difference increases, the rotational fan speed also increases. I have selected 80% as a maximum value here. Depending on the system, this should be sufficient for automatic mode. If I decide that I'm not happy with that, I can always change the settings here. Here, I can stop airing the room in case of low outdoor temperature. And here, I can select the periods in which the rooms should be aired every day. The ventilation block prevents automatic airing as long as the heating is on. As soon as I manually adjust the ventilation, the automatic settings are overridden. For example, if I lower a setting using the rotary knob on the ventilation page, the automatic resets determine whether automatic mode should be resumed once every day or sometime after a manual operation. Once I have adjusted all the settings, the automatic settings menu can be closed. Two elements of the automatic settings are especially important for me: the temperature threshold value for airing and the fixed daily times for airing the room. That is why relevant buttons were added on the ventilation page. They allow me to quickly modify the ventilation temperature. 24 degrees is too hot for me. I'll just change that to 23 degrees. Here, I can modify the periods for the daily airing of the room. As you can see, the Corlo Touch KNX allows the operation of the ventilation to be customized to match my personal preferences. In this way, the functions I need most are easily accessible.